Hey guys, welcome back to Reems Creation. I hope you're having a good time there. So in this video, I will be showing you a beauty drink. Right, a beauty juice. This is specially for to-be groom or to-be bride so that they can get a naturally glowing skin from inside. And to make this juice, I'm using some ingredients which are easily available in the market. And this is really easy to make recipe. So should we start? First juice is to get a nice pimple-free, whited blackhead-free skin. Basically to get a clear glowing skin. For that we need 3 magic ingredients. An apple, a carrot and a beetroot. Now clean them properly and slice them. Now grab a blending jar and now I am adding some water. You may add some chilled water and then add these ingredients and blend it nicely. And the first beauty juice is ready. Let's move to the second juice. This juice is to get a fair skin and to get natural pink cheeks. And for that, again we need 3 ingredients: tomato, pomegranate and beetroot. The procedure is same. Add some water and blend it nicely. Trust me, I am obsessed with these 2 drinks. Drink these juices, one in the morning and one in the evening. You will get the results in 7 days, trust me. Now quickly grab a glass and pour this juice in a glass. And enjoy the amazing, tasty, delicious magic beauty drink. So I hope you will make this magic beauty drink at home and drink this for at least 7 days and you will thank me for that. You will feel the natural glow from inside and make your skin acne, pimple free, whitehead, blackhead free, make your skin clear, glowing. And please let me know after 7 days that how was your experience and what did you feel after having this juice. And please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. And the best part is this is free of cost. If you subscribe, there is no charges to subscription and you can always get notified whenever I post a new video on YouTube. And please comment below and let me know that how was the video and let me know if you have any queries on this video. I will get back to you soon. So see you all in my next video. Till then, you take care. Bye bye for now.